Hello. Hey everyone.
We've had a messy morning.
We've had a very messy. We've had a really messy morning. The day after the night before.
I've been throwing up all morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I was being sick for like an hour and a half.
45 minutes sleep.
Yeah. I'm like.
With the maintenance bill came.
Yeah. So many weird stories. We'll probably speak about it a bit more when we get back.
With a guy. I was sitting in my bed and he was there. I was like, oh my god.
Hat slept on my floor.
Did I sleep on your floor?
Sleep on my floor.
Just laid on my floor.
Yeah, just laid on my floor.
4 hours.
Yeah, we're currently at base camp to try and like cleanse our souls.
I'm buzzing.
Yeah, we're so excited. I think I'm getting some.
a good place to bring people.
Yeah, 100%.
It's very.
We've got a lot of variation. Like, it's not that expensive.
No, and it's
for like brunch or breakfast.
I feel like you say people would miss it. Like,
Yeah.
walk past it.
Yeah, 100%. It's literally on the steep hill, like on the left, and you bet like I barely even noticed it. So, and it's cutesy. It's very Instagrammy. You rest it.
And like relaxing.
Yeah.
Like when you don't want to be in a busy cafe, but this would be good for a nan.
Yeah.
Because
got like fucking
I don't
games
even
over
have
here.
anything.
No.
Or clean an oven. I don't know what I'm doing with that.
Do you want us to help you pack?
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
I can just. I'll just spray the oven like bathroom cleaner and just hope it does the same thing.
Yeah.
Any kitchen you like.
I look like a tragedy. The lighting just makes me look better than I really look.
What's the fucking thing that the cockroach said? Did he?
Ambrosia.
And every time someone mentions did you say it? And then you go, wait, where's that from? Oh, what's it supposed to do?
Every time. Okay, anyway, back to reality. So me and Morgan are sharing this smoothie bowl. It's like the breakfast one, so it's got like berries,
Get in me.
coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes?
Coconut flakes, yes, pen. I got English breakfast tea. Meg's got an iced latte, did you get?
Yeah.
And then what's this? Sorry that you got?
Parma ham mozzarella.
Parma ham and mozzarella. It does look delicious.
Out of my shot now.
And then you've got hot chocky, yeah. It looks incredible.
Oh, I'm gonna miss this.
Me too. This is why I miss like not being exam season, because we just used to go out and do shit like this all the time. I got toasted sourdough, by the way. That's jam. I'm well excited. It's homemade jam. Like I just love homemade jam.
It looks really like
good colour. like black currant jam. We are.
It's a good colour.
It's a good colour of homemade jam. And also, this is the pengiest thing ever.
We're getting ice cream as well, aren't we?
Yeah. We're in the body shop and Meg is considering purchasing this. And I do really want it. I think I will get it once I've actually earned money.
She said they're always sold out.
Yeah. I think as soon as I get money at work, I'm going to get that. But this whole vitamin C range looks amazing, like this.
She's telling me they like get the vitamin C from these berries that are like really full of it, and it's just amazing.
It's like a really like glowy primer, isn't it? It's like full glowing. And all these facial mists look amazing as well, especially this one.
How do you feel?
How do you feel
Really
about being in
upset.
my room for the last ever time?
Really upset.
Yeah, it's so shit.
I feel like I'm not crying. We've had so many.
Yeah, I know. I feel like tonight I will cry.
Let's name
I think because
some
we're all like really emotional people, yeah. Let's name some memories.
When I came in here and Charlotte was naked on the floor for our 9 AM exam.
Yeah, that was in January.
And
All the times I've slept on the floor.
yeah. And I come in the morning.
Oh no.
It's really sad.
It is. Why is this year gone so quickly?
I never thought of that. You're never going to be in the kitchen or living room again.
Ever again.
Ever.
Oh no. Like I actually feel sick.
Like never in my life will I step foot in here again. We're too deep.
That's
Man.
so-
No, what are we going to be like when we
Literally.
go? Our dads will be like, fuck off.
Yeah, like what the hell?
Get in the car,
Fuck off and
quick.
get out.
Yeah. Like, get in the car, what are you doing?
I feel really emotional about
Yeah, I
this.
feel like we haven't really like
It's the
thought
last time
about
you
this.
walk back.
Oh,
And you've done
from
that every
courts.
day for a
No,
year.
to and from, like almost every day.
This is
Thank you,
horrible.
distress.
This is the worst feeling. Like I've never felt like this.
But I feel like,
It's well
it's
weird.
like if my like mum moved house, it feels like that. Like if you move away from where you live, and I always think like if you walk past that house, it's like that's my house. Like it's fucking weird.
Yeah.
I've only lived here for a year, but so much.
So much shit has happened here. Like even from the first day. No, I was thinking from the first day, like before we had lectures, we were sitting there and you were like, oh my god, we have lectures tomorrow, and that feels like a few months ago.
Got it documented, haven't we?
Yep. On the vlogs. Yeah, that's good.
I love that. Yeah,
literally, we have every memory, like all the funny ones. Well, obviously not the explicit ones are kept covered.
All the weird ones.
Yeah, all the a bit too strange for other people to watch.
But they're in our heads.
Have you got? Oh yeah, you took all your cutlery yesterday, didn't you? Oh. Oh my god! Like, whoa! You're gonna start this room and never step in again?
Stop it! I'm gonna feel emotional about leaving my room, but not my fucking flat. Like my house is just my room.
Yeah, because you've like made it your own. Or I can't be asked. Like, I keep thinking about me taking all my photos down. That's the worst part about it.
I feel it's gonna be bad.
We're going to help Megan pack, by the way. Like, this is why we like packing everything up. We're gonna go have food and eat and share Megan's.
Oh, there's a fluffy.
Okay. Right, let's stop being deep and try and
we need to go.
remove ourselves from the conversation. Yeah. So it's the following morning. I really apologise for, like, obviously not finishing the vlog yesterday, but I'm going to keep it as a 2-day because we didn't do much yesterday. We were hungover and yeah, we were just sort of like hungover and trying to help Megan pack her stuff because Megan's going this morning. It was really sad like leaving her, but I left my camera battery at Megan's, so that's why I haven't vlogged since. Like, I have my phone, which is why I'm talking to you now. But yeah, so obviously that's why I didn't really finish the vlog, and I was like, oh, I'll let it go on for 2 days because yesterday literally, like, so we went to base camp, then did watch 13 Reasons Why Unpacked. Probably talk a little bit more about 13 Reasons Why with Hat later because I'm not too sure about how I feel about it because everything was like quite nice, like the build up was good. I know there are some problems and issues with it, but the last episode they tried to like shove everything in, and I just thought it was just quite intense and unnecessary to like shove every different aspect of things that are going on at the minute like all into one episode. It was very like stressful. I don't know, I didn't know how I feel about that, but yeah. We're just getting ready. Me and Hat are going into town today. We're going to go collect my camera battery from Megan's first and say goodbye to her, which is going to be so sad. And yeah, oh god, this is so weird. This is my last full day of first year and I can't believe it because it has gone so quick. Just come back from... So me and Hattie got back from town, but I had a little nap because I was so tired, and I've edited my video. If you want to go watch the life advice video, it's up on my main channel. I'm sorry about my hair and my appearance right now. I've literally just woken up. But go to my main channel because it's so exciting. I love the video. It's super, super long. So in the description, I've actually like written down the different timings for each question in case you just want to listen to your question. If you just personally want to listen to your question. But yeah, I really loved that video, and we didn't even manage to answer all the questions because it was already like an hour long. So we'll be doing lots more of these videos in the future. I've got all of your questions still, so we will answer them at some point very soon. Thank you. We're now just going to go pack. We're going to start in the kitchen, and we're going to go start packing stuff from the kitchen and then move to our rooms and help each other, I think, because we've got a lot to pack. Instant regret. That's the quickest regret I've ever seen. She just saw it empty. So me and Hattie have been packing for absolutely ages. We did the kitchen and then we've done like both of our rooms. I've still got like a little bit left to do, but I think I'll probably leave it to the morning. I've got like a couple posters and like a few more clothes in my wardrobe, but other than that, this is what my room's looking like. It's just like filled with loads of like boxes, especially over there. The pinboard's down, which was the saddest thing ever. It's so weird because it's like my little room is not mine anymore. I hate it. Hat's just gone for a little nap and I think I'm going to edit another video because I love editing so much. I literally hate when I haven't got pre-filmed videos, so I'm editing the other main channel video that's probably going to go up tomorrow. I'm going to just keep whacking them out because I really love uploading content and like interacting with everyone. I'm so happy with all the support on today's video and all my recent vlogs. I love when people comment, so if you do feel nervous to comment or anything, like just please do it, or even message me privately on like one of my social medias, because I actually love chatting to people. It feels so nice to actually have like a group of people that support me and like watching me, because I just feel like I haven't really had that sort of support network in my life before. Obviously I have like had all my family from day one and Hattie and Megan, but I've never had like a solid group of people who like really are really nice to me. So thank you very much for supporting me, and thank you if you watched that whole main channel video that I uploaded yesterday when you're watching this, because it's a very long video and I don't expect everyone to watch every second. If you haven't already, please go and watch that video because it's so good. If you look in the description bar, you can like skip to your favourite topics or questions if you ask one, or anything specific that you want to know about, because I know it's long and I don't want anyone to feel like they have to watch the whole thing, so I've done the timings to make it a bit easier for you. And yeah, I'm very sad. I'm going to edit to keep my mind off the whole thought of me leaving here forever. Like, if you're a future Lincoln student, you'll come into courts, the chances are very unlikely for this, but if you end up being in court 16, apartment 5, room 5, then that's where I was. That's where I was. And please let me know and let me come back next year. Next year, when we move to our next house, we'll end up walking by and see if we can see through the window and just be like, oh god. I really hope that whoever's in here takes care of it, and it's my room. I don't want anyone else to be in here and put all their stuff in. It makes me so sad. I've had so many memories in here. I actually thought I was gonna like bawl my eyes out last night. We were talking about how emotional it was. Like, how many memories have been created in this room? Probably, like, obviously before this as well. This has been newly furbished, so like this is like the first time since it's been all properly done up, but oh my god, we're never going to be here again. We're never ever going to step foot in this building. Like, it's very unlikely that I'll end up making friends with someone that's in court 16, apartment 5 next year. I'm going to miss it a lot. I'm very excited, like I said, to be moving in with my friends, and it's obviously going to be a whole lot better, a lot more comfortable and everything. It's so deep. Like, normal people would just like take their stuff and be like, oh, on to the next thing, but I literally sit and think about these things all the time because I'm very sentimental, and especially because I just had a really shit like sixth form, and this whole one year of uni has been like the best year of my life. Like, not meaning to sound cringe or anything, but it's honestly been the best year of my life so far. Being 19 from then onwards has been incredible. Obviously last summer was great after I finished my A-levels, but this has been the best year of my life ever in education because of how incredible my friends are. They've literally, I'm gonna cry, one sec. They've like stuck with me through everything. We're so like loving and care for each other a lot. We just have the best time together, and I don't want this to end. Obviously it's not going to end, like our friendship is not going to end, but living in halls is jokes. Like, it just is. It's just a mess, and we're never going to live in halls ever again. I'm gutted, and I'm going to stop talking now before I start crying. So me and Hat ended up watching like a film last night and just chilling and talking for ages. I slept on Hat's floor. We just had like a last ever sleepover here. So weird, but yeah, as you can see, everything's very, very bare. I hope you've enjoyed watching the last few days of us at uni. I am filming today, so look out tomorrow for another vlog of me moving home. I'm gonna like film the whole process, and it's so sad. Oh god. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow when I move house, which is actually today for me, so I'm feeling very sad.